same energy, guys. You feeling good or what? Feels like it, goddamn. Everybody up top, you still rocking with us or what? I'm getting old, man. I'm getting old. 42. I can't see like I used to, but I can see young motherfuckers. Just want to make sure everybody's having a good goddamn time, you know what I'm saying? You guys have a good time with Lauren Hibbert tonight? Make sure you watch my homegirl Lauren, yo. You guys have a good time at Grayscale tonight? Obviously rocking with Gym Class Heroes tonight, right? That's you, baby. Who's ready to see All Time Low tonight? Here's the thing. Them motherfuckers ain't coming out until I say so. So y'all better make this motherfucker the best show on this goddamn tour. I'm gonna tell you right now. So we about a week and a half, 2 weeks in this tour, and Atlanta was off the fucking chain last night. But it's in your motherfucking hands. It's in your hands tonight to make sure that Orlando was the best fucking show on this tour. We just do what the fuck we do. It's up to you. And I will remind you and tell you at the end of the show whether or not you made Atlanta look like fucking da-da-da-da-s, but it's in your motherfucking hands. I ain't got shit to do with it. Like I said, we do what the fuck we do. But with that said, I want you to put your motherfucking hearts in the air right now. I don't care if you do it like this, you do it like this, whatever. You know, some people do it like this, like in Korea they do it like this. It's like anatomically correct, so you got the fucking, the aortic valve and whatever the other thing's called. But I like this shit, it's simple. This, whatever. Keep them up. Up top, I ain't forget about your motherfucker. Don't make me come up there. I will chill. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. I will be up there in your ass. And not the way you want me to. Keep them hearts up. I will monkey the movie One Piece the shit out y'all motherfuckers. Keep them hearts up. Now check it out. We're gonna kick this shit up a notch, as we like to do at Gym Class Heroes headquarters. So now I want you to take your heart and put your pinky finger up with it. I don't care if it's your left, your right, if you're ambidextrous, put two up, I don't give a fuck. Put a goddamn pinky up with that heart right now. See? Now, not only do you have your heart in the air, you got an antenna up with that motherfucker, which now means you have your stereo heart in the air, and I appreciate